Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, heated steering wheel. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.